What's up, guys? Rap Fixer here, and I'm back with another video. I got a failed water pump, a broken V-belt, and a bad radiator. Stay tuned. The bearings in the pulley, as you can see right here, should be sturdy, but right now it's really wobbly. Look at that. So the next thing you want to do is take all the bolts out using only hand tools. Do not use power tools on this. All my bolts are out, and it's still attached because of heat and time. So if you're having trouble, give it a love tap with a hammer or something heavy, and it'll come right off. So with the new pump, you can see that the bearings are sturdy. So over time, what happens is that the bearings become bad and start to wobble, and they'll wobble the V-belt off or just do even more damage to the unit. But we're starting off with a new pump and we're getting to it. Always use a new gasket. Please follow the torque parameters, because if you don't, you may risk damaging the housing or shearing off the bolt heads, because the old bolts may have been under a lot of heat stress and they are just weaker when putting them back in. I always recommend using new bolts as well. Now that I have my fan back on, I also have my new V-belt installed as well. So now I have everything tightened up, and let me check that deflection. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh, nice looking, really good. New radiator is installed. I spared you guys the gory details, but everything went without a hitch. Now I'm outside, and this is the most critical part of this repair. You're going to want to give this engine some gas until it begins to get hot. You're going to take a look at your temperature sensor, which is located on the dash. That's just me filling that hose to see how hot it's getting. Now take a look at your temperature. It should go up fairly quick because there's air in the system right now and we need to purge it. All right, look at that. Just like I thought. This was in the span of probably about 2 minutes. It ran that hot. So now it's time to purge. Once fluid starts coming out of here in a steady stream, you're pretty much good to go. Close it back up. Start it up again. If it will start. Just messing with you. And just like that, this repair is complete and we're back to normal. Like and subscribe. See you guys.